Good morning, class. Today I will be taking the lessons from Plant and Animal Kingdom, chapter 11, that are trees of India. We have to fill the missing letters to complete the names of these trees. First, a dash tree in Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden near Kolkata is believed to be over 200 years old. The answer is banyan tree. Banyan. Second, Gautam Buddha meditated under a dash tree and became Bodhi or the Enlightened One. The answer is people. Pipal. Third one, dash is the national fruit of India. Mango. 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 Fourth one, dash are evergreen conifers with needle-shaped leaves and are native primarily to northern temperature regions. Pines. 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 Now, fifth one, native to Australia, New Guinea and parts of Indonesia. Dash tree is famous for the commercial production of oil and timber. Answer is eucalyptus. 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 Sixth one, Kerala literally means the land of dash trees. Coconut trees. Coconut. Apart from its edible fruit, the different parts of this tree are used to make koi, basket, ladles, oil, etc. Seventh, dash tree is also called margosa. Neem. 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 Dash tree is found in central and northern plains of India. Its flowers, fruits and leaves are edible. Mahua. Mahua. Mahua tree. Now, mangroves are the trees that grow in saline water. Some of them have specialized roots-like structures called pneumatophores for breathing. These are the plants. Now, we'll come to the second chapter, that is interesting trees. I'll read some of the unusual trees that grow in different parts of the world. That is Doda aldamara. This tree is also called the big banyan tree. It is a 400-year-old banyan tree located near Bangalore, and it is one of the largest banyan tree in the world. It is said that the tree has more than 1,000 aerial roots. Aerial means that are hanging from up the branches, and this tree Doda aldamara is also known as roots of the tree. Second, the giant wisteria of Japan. Wisteria means long life. Now, which type of tree is this? It is one of the largest wisterias in the world. It has beautiful purple flower that makes it an ornamental plant. The giant wisteria of Japan is over 150 years old. Then comes the dragon blood trees. This species of trees is native to Scrotra archipelago. The trees get their name from the red sap they produce. This sap has medicinal and coloring properties. Fourth one is rain eucalyptus trees. Which type of trees are these? These trees shed parts of their bark, revealing a bright green layer underneath. The inner bark then darkens and matures into shades of blue, orange and maroon. They grow in Indonesia and parts of Southeast Asia. Fifth, baobab tree of Madagascar. It means during rainy season it absorbs, this type of tree during rainy season it absorbs and stores water in its vast trunk. This, see, vast trunk is known as the trees of life. These trees are huge with unusual massive reddish cylinder trunk. See, this is the trunk. Now, sequoia or the redwoods are the tallest species of trees in the world. These trees can live for prolonged period of time. Now you have to find out the famous redwoods, that is Hyperion and General Sherman tree. Prolonged means continued for long period. Then comes the man's best friend. Who are the man's best friend? Who is the man's best friend? Dogs. How many of you like dogs? Many people like dogs. Now, there are different varieties, species of dogs had been mentioned with you. You have to name the particular breed. See this type of dog. It is believed to be the oldest known breed of domesticated dog. The name is Saluki. And see the second one. This dog with a wrinkly, short, muffled face and curled tail become extremely popular in India after starring in a series of advertisements. It's called Pug. Then see the third one. This one. This is domestication in the Orient. It is referred to as Sangoshi Quan in Chinese, meaning puffy lion dog. That is Chow Chow. Then comes the fourth one. See, this is the fourth one. Used as a messenger and guard dog during the 2 world wars. Its name is Rottweiler. See this one. Then comes the fifth one. See, so cute. Named after a state in Mexico, it is the smallest breed of dog. Name is Chihuahua. Then comes the sixth one. See this one. Many must be familiar with this breed. The most popular breed of dog in the world, Labrador Retriever. Then comes the seventh one, and everyone must be knowing this one. Also known as the Alsatian, it is preferred breed of many types of work, including disability assistant, search and rescue, police, and military roles. The name of the dog is German Shepherd. It helps in many types of work like disability assistance, search and rescue operation, and for military and police force roles also. Then comes the eighth one. See this one. It's among the tallest breed of dog. Its nickname is Gentle Giant. The name is Great Dane. Then comes the ninth one. See, the legs are so tall. The fastest breed of dog that can reach speed of around 70 km per hour. It's Greyhound. Then comes the 10th one. See, white dog with black spots. Mainly used as a carriage dog in its earlier days, it is easily recognized by its spotted coats. The name of the dog is Dalmatian. Then comes this one. Often depicted in film as ferocious guard dog, it is an intelligent, alert, and tendency royal companion. It is Doberman Pinscher. Then comes see this one. Large working dog from Western Alps used in alpine rescues. It's Saint Bernard. 13. See this one. This breed has very strong jaws and a powerful bite, ideal for hanging on to a large prey. Its name is Boxer. Then comes the last one. See this breed, very popular as pet. It is Saint Horned, trained primarily for hunting hare. Its name is Beagle. Understood? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.